How to fix Steam login error code E87. So if you want to fix the Steam login error code, then first you need to open up your Steam. Now, once you open your Steam, what you need to do is right click on your taskbar and go for Task Manager. Once you're on the Task Manager, you need to go for the Steam application or the Steam client web helper. You will have the Steam, right? So you just need to right click on that and you need to end the task. Once you end the task, now you need to go back and you need to restart your Steam. So once you restart your Steam, then your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next step is you need to open up your services. So open up your services tab, and under services, you should find an option called Steam Client Service. So simply search for that. Here you will have the option, right? So you just need to double click on that. And here, once you click on the Steam Client Service, here on the top, you will have Start Service, right? Simply click on the Start and then wait for the system to start the service. Once you've started or once you have the restart option, you need to simply click on Restart and wait for some time and it will restart the service. Once you've restarted the service, the process will be completed and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to clear the cache of Steam. So what you need to do is simply open up your Steam. And once you open your Steam, now you just need to simply click on Steam again, which is on the upper left, and go for settings. Once you're here on the settings, you need to go for the option which is downloads. And under the downloads, you need to go for clear download cache and clear the cache. Click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, now it will shut down your Steam and click on continue. And you need to choose who's playing the Steam. And you need to log into your Steam again and your problem will be fixed. And once you've done this, you need to now go for the File Explorer and you need to select the disk in which the Steam is present and you need to right click on that and then select the properties and then you need to go for the Tools tab and go for check and go for scan drive and wait for the process to be completed. And once it's completed, you need to click on OK and then click on apply or click on apply and then click on OK. And after that, you need to reload your Steam and your problem will be fixed. And the next fix is you can also go for the settings and you can change the time and language and you can go for the date and time and then you can change your date and time and you can try to log into your Steam and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes on how you can fix the Steam login error code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.